Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Safeport Law. So if you also want to log into Safeport Law, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So logging into Safeport Law is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in safe.law.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Safeport Law. Over here you'll be able to contact the attorneys. You can see over here there are 50 states and 27 attorneys. So if you also want to log into Safeport Law, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is look at top right corner of your screen. Over here you'll be able to find the option for login. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official login interface of Safeport Law. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can also create an account for yourself. Simply click on the option create account now. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. If you already have an account and if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is provide these credentials that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all you have to do is enter your email address. Simply click on the field of email address. After that, enter your email address over here. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after you've entered the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now, after that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Safeport Law. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.